So in a few words, Kairos is a French analytics company helping investors, operators and traders make better decisions. We fuse different technologies including satellite imagery, so it can range from radar to optical to emission satellites, geolocation and IoT data with proprietary algorithms to generate insights in various industries. The company started in the energy industry where data are not always transparent, especially in the crude oil and liquefied natural gas markets. The company started in 2016 in Paris, has secured 2 rounds of fundings, and is now heading towards Series C. There are 5 offices, being located in Paris, the headquarters, London, New York, Houston, and Singapore. So to explain simply, using Kairos technology you can reply to a lot of concrete questions. For instance, it can include the following ones. How much oil is being stored in the largest oil producer countries? What is the demand of gasoline and diesel in the US, in Europe, or in Asia? How much water is being stored upstream of a French dam? Is a car manufacturing plant in the UK working at full capacity or not? How much iron ore is being produced in Australia? And what is the volume being processed in a Chinese smelter? So I'm Alexis, a French engineer based in Singapore for the past 3 years and a half. When I arrived in Singapore, I started in a big oil company called Glencore as an analyst. I realized that the commodities world in Singapore was huge, between gas to crude oil to petroleum products such as gasoline, gas oil, and fuel oil. Hopefully, Singapore will also be a hub for renewables as well in the future. After a few months in Glencore, I realized that there were a lot of opaque data in the industry. At this time, new technologies started to be exploitable, such as satellite imagery, along with machine and deep learning algorithms. I was thus very interested to contribute, bringing more clarity in the commodities world. Kairos has just launched an office in Singapore this time. It was an exciting opportunity for me to participate to the development of the company in Asia. So like many companies, COVID-19 has had both positive and less positive impact for us. But the majority of our customers had resources to cope with the situation and wanted to understand what was exactly happening on the ground. The goal being to make better informed decisions. So I've been using our platform to map oil refineries and detect the extent of the oil decline, for instance. Other industries as well were very interested to monitor different assets during these times. These assets are still worth monitoring to monitor the situation on the ground, such as steel mills, cement factories, and power plants. So in a nutshell, the COVID-19 period brought us new types of customers. I must admit that it was very challenging at first to go from a large company into a 2-person room in a co-working space. But after a few weeks, I was definitely excited to be part of this adventure. For instance, interacting with many different industries, being able to present Kairos activities in energy or satellite conferences, and traveling across Asian countries to meet new customers were great opportunities. Being a link between customers and technical teams in Paris is a great skill as you need to understand both the business and the technical sides of the products and use cases. It's also a great opportunity to propose improvements in the Kairos products. In short, I will definitely remember this entrepreneurial spirit. On the technical side, Python has been the key to manipulate these large datasets. I was not familiar with this programming language before, and this is a great skill to develop.